Hello students, let's solve more sums in exercise 15.2. Question number 3. 3 cubes each with 2 centimeter each are placed side by side to form a cuboid. Sketch an oblique or isometric sketch of this cuboid. Means if we draw a rough figure, so this kind of figure we will get. There is a one cube and another cube and another cube. Total 3 cubes are placed side by side with each other. So when we see the front face of the cube, it looks like this: first, second and third cube, and then we have to draw other things. So that way, same way, we have to draw a figure of 3 cubes which are placed side by side, of having the dimension 2 centimeter, and we have to draw oblique sketch or isometric sketch. We will draw oblique sketch also and isometric sketch. So first of all, for oblique sketch, we will mark one point. So from this point we will start. So first cube we will draw, that is 2 centimeter each, that is 1 to 2, that is horizontal line and vertical line, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So front face we will draw first. Now we will connect these points with line segments. Next we will draw front face of other 2 cube in same manner. Now they are placed together. So this is line segment for second cube, 1, and from this point we have to draw a 2 centimeter of a line segment, that is side of the cube. So from this point to this point we will connect the line segment, from this point to this point, and from this point to this point. Okay, so second face is also ready. Now third face, that is face of the third cube. Same way, from this point 2 centimeter, this way, from this point 2 centimeter, and from this point to this point. We will connect these points also. Okay, so front face of the 3 cubes are ready. Now we will draw the opposite face. So for that we will start with this point. We will draw opposite face of this front face. So from this point, it is a cube, all the line segments are same. So here I am drawing, that is of 2 centimeter line segment. Same way, from here to here 2 centimeter, and so opposite face is ready. Now we will connect with the edges. So this point to this point, this point to this point, and edges here and one edge here. So our first cube is ready. Now for this second cube, front face is there. Now we have to draw the opposite face. So from this point to this point, already edge is there. From this point to this point, already edge is there. Now we have to draw from this point to this point one edge. That means here first of all we will draw opposite face. So one line segment is there. From this point to this point we will draw another line segment, this to this, another line segment, and this to this. So we will get opposite face. Okay, now we will connect the edges. These 2 edges are already connected, and we will connect these 2 edges. So second cube is also ready. And now for this last cube, we have to draw opposite face, this one line segment there. Now from this point to this point we will draw one line segment, from this to this, and from this to this. And we have to connect the edges. I have connected also the edges. So after finishing the sketch, this is our final figure. This cube is of 2 centimeter of edge. This is 2 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. So after drawing 3 cubes side by side, it is nothing but a cuboid of length from this to this point. It is nothing but 6 centimeter, breadth is of 2 centimeter and height is of 2 centimeter. Next we will draw isometric sketch of the same figure. Now here you have to keep in mind that the distance between two dots, when we count for in vertical dots, it is 1 centimeter, and in cross dots it is 1 centimeter. But in horizontal dots, the distance between them, it is more than 1 centimeter. So draw the perfect cube. We will use vertical and cross dots. So from here we will start and we will draw a front face of one cube having 2 centimeter length. So from this point 1 and 2 till this point we will draw one line segment. Same way from this point 1 and 2 we will draw this one line segment from this point 1 and 2, and we will connect all 4 sides. So this is front face of our one cube. Now we will draw front face of another cube. So from this point 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and now we will connect. Second front face also done, and last third cube's front face till this point 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Now we will connect these line segments. So front face of third cube is also ready. Now we will draw the opposite face. Now here this is an isometric dot paper, so we will draw first edges. Now as we know that edges are also of a 2 centimeter as it is a cube. So for this first cube 1 and 2 till this point, from this point 1 and 2 till this point, and from this point 1 and 2 till this point we will draw the line segment. And after drawing edges, when we connect these edges we will get our first cube. Now for second cube, same way, from this point to this point it is already connected. From this point to this point another edge is there. Now from this point 1 and 2 till this point we will draw the edge, and from this point 1 and 2 till this point we will draw the edge, and now we will connect all the edges. So edge is drawn. Now we will connect the edges. There is this edge, this is already connected, this edge and this edge. Second cube is also ready. Now we will draw for the third cube. Front face is there. Now from this point to this point already edge is there, and from this point to this point already edge is there. Now this 2 edge we will draw here from this point 1 and 2, from this point 1 and 2. Now we will connect the edges, end point of the edges, from this point to this point, from this point to this point, and from this point to this point. So our sketch is ready. Isometric sketch of 3 cubes which are placed side by side having 2 centimeter edge. So total length of this edge will be 6 centimeter and it looks cuboid of 6 centimeter length, breadth 2 centimeter and height 2 centimeter. Next sum. Question number 4. Make an oblique sketch for each one of the given isometric shapes. So here isometric sketch is given, and in that isometric sketch this is a shape, a solid shape is given, and in oblique sketch we have to draw that same sketch. So here we will start. Okay, so now first of all we have to mark some points as we have to cover this whole figure. So this vertical and horizontal line. So cover this figure, same way we have to draw cross lines. We will draw this horizontal, not a horizontal, sorry, it is one cross line. So that way only we will draw in a oblique paper. So we will start with this point. Now here we can see that this is end point. Cross line is of 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 dots. It's covered. That means 4 centimeter, around 4 centimeter. So same way here we will cover 4 squares in such a way from this point 1, 2, 3 and 4. Till this point we will draw the line. It covers 4 square around. Now vertical line, it is of 6 unit, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter, around 6 centimeter. So from same way vertical line we will draw it, it will cover 6 squares, side of square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So till this point we will draw the line segment. Done. Next, now we have to draw this cross line of 2 units. So same way from this point to till this point we will draw one cross line. It will cover 2 squares. So that way we have to go. Done. Same way this way cross line from this point to this point. So here we will draw this way. Done. Same way. So okay, so this part is over. Now from this point one vertical line 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So from this point 1, 2, 3, 4. Till this point we will draw the line. Done. Next, from this point we have to draw from this point 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way. This covers same line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Till this point we will draw the line, and also we will connect this edge. So okay, done. Now this line segments left, it is of cross line 1, 2 units 1 and 2. Same way from this point 1 and 2. So here we will start from this point 1 and 2. The reason I am taking this way, the reason is that these two lines are parallel. So same way parallelly only we have to take. So till this point we will draw, and it is also parallel. So same way from this point to this other end point of one square we have to draw. Now we will connect these 2 points. And now what left? This figure like a rectangle. So from this point to this point, from this point to this point, we will draw one line segment. It is of 2 units. Same way here is opposite side of also will be of 2 units. And now we will connect these 2 points. Okay, so figure is over. So in oblique sketch we have drawn a figure from isometric sketch. Next, sum number 2. Here isometric sketch is given. From that figure we have to draw an oblique sketch. So we will start with this endpoint. Our vertical line is of 1, 2, 3, 4 units or 4 centimeter, we can say, around. So from this point I am starting till this point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Now one cross line having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That way, if we cover, so this point will come. Around this much we have to draw the line. Next, same way, its parallel line we will draw. This line, it is of same length. So same way, what we will do, we will draw this vertical line first. That is of 1, 2, 3, 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. So same way, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will connect these two parts. So this part is over. Now we will start with this part. Cross line is of 1, 2, 3, 4. So from this point 1, 2, 3, 4. That way we will draw that this point connects. Okay. Next, one straight line of 2 units. So here this length is more, so here we will take it as 4 units at least. 1, 2, 3, 4. How I have taken 4 units? Because we can see that this point and this point are in vertical position. So same way, this point and this point should come in vertical position, and between them distance is 1 and 2 centimeter, 2 unit, same way. So we will connect this point and this point. This much done. Now this is a parallel line of this line, same unit. So same way we will draw one parallel line. So it will go 1, 2, 3 here. It will come here. So what we will do, we will connect from this point to this point one line segment, and this point to this point one line segment. Okay, so this part done. Now this part, this point and this point are connected. So from this point to this point we will draw one line segment. Now this line and this line are parallel. So same way we will draw from this point to this point a parallel line and having same length. So it will come on this point till this point. Done. And now we will connect these 2 points till this over. Now cross line, this line and this line are parallel, having same length, so that way we will draw. So it will come here, or we can draw this way. From this line a vertical line of 1, 2, 3, 4 units of length. So from this point 1, 2, 3, 4 till this point we will draw the line segment. Done. And now we will connect these 2 points. Okay, so figure is made in oblique paper. Last question of this exercise, question number 5. Give first an oblique sketch and second an isometric sketch for each of the following. A cuboid of dimensions 5 cm, 3 cm and 2 cm. And another question is, in same question, that is your sketch unique? So first of all we have to draw an oblique sketch and an isometric sketch. So this how you have to stick the papers, first oblique sketch paper and then this isometric dot paper. So Dimensions are given 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So for cuboid, length we will take 5 centimeter, breadth we will take 3 centimeter and height we will take 2 centimeter. And now we will start from this point. So we can cover all the sides. So front face is of nothing but length multiplied by height. So it is 5 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter. So our horizontal line will be of 5 centimeter. So we will take this 5 sides of square, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So till this point we will draw the line segment. Same way, height is of 2 centimeter. So from this point we will cover this much length of 2 squares, and these endpoints also we will join. So we will get a front face of the cuboid. It is 5 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter. Now about breadth, that means this edge. Okay, 4 edges, these are breadth, and breadth is having 3 centimeter dimension. So 3 centimeter we have to take. So usually we will draw this way line segment such that 1, 2 and 3, this 3 square will cover. So that way we will take it as 3 centimeter. Done. Same way, it's here we have to draw same way here, and from this point. Okay, now we will join the endpoints of the edges. Okay, so it is done. So here we will write the dimension. This is length, that is of 5 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter and height it is of 2 centimeter. Now we will draw isometric sketch. To get a perfect dimensions, we will draw a same way what we have done earlier, cross lines. That means this way, cross, because cross dots are have a between them length 1 centimeter. So that way we will draw. So we'll start from this point. Same way, front face, this cross line we will take as a length. It is of 5 centimeters. So 1, 2, 3, 4 till 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we have to draw the height, that is of 2 centimeter. So here this way 2 centimeter. Done. And now we will connect these 2 points. Okay, so this front face is done. Now we will draw same way edges. Edges are of 3 centimeter. So from this point 1, 2, 3, this till this point 1, 2, 3. This way we will draw other edges. Okay, so edges are drawn. Now we will connect this all edges. That means from this point to this point to this point, and also these 2 edges. So total 4 line segment we will draw. So this is our figure, a cuboid having a length that is 5 centimeter, breadth that is 3 centimeter and height 2 centimeter in an isometric dot paper. This is isometric sketch of a cuboid. There is one question also asked, that is your sketch unique? Now this is the sketch of cuboid, and already we have discussed using this same dimension in question number 2. We have drawn 3 different cuboid using just interchanging length, breadth and height. So therefore the answer is this sketch is not unique. So we have to write no, this sketch is not unique. Next, B, a cube with an edge 4 centimeter. So now we have to draw the cube in oblique paper also and in isometric dot paper also. So first of all we will draw the oblique sketch. So 4 centimeter long edge, that means all the sides of the cube, that is all the edges of the cube are same, having 4 centimeter length. So first of all we will draw the front face of the cube, and front face of the cube is nothing but a square having a side of length 4 centimeter. So we will start from this point. So 4 centimeter vertical line and 4 centimeter horizontal line. Same way we will draw here also a line, in here also. This front face done. Now we will draw the opposite face of the front face. So we'll start from this point. Same way, 4 centimeter vertical, 4 centimeter horizontal, then again 4 centimeter vertical and 4 centimeter horizontal. So okay, so other face is also ready. Now we have to connect this end point, means edges. So drawing the edges. So this is a figure of a cube with an edge 4 centimeter long of oblique sketch. Now we will draw the isometric sketch. So same way we will use cross dots and vertical dots. So we will start from this point, front face 4 by 4. So from here this one, and from here this way. Same way proper. Now this is an isometric paper, so here we will draw first edges, then the opposite face. So edges, as we know that these are also 4 centimeter long. The same way we will draw using cross dots. And here also. Now we will connect. And last this one. So this is isometric sketch of a cube. This is front face, opposite face, this is other face, and this one face, and 5 and 6 up and down. Total 6 faces we have drawn. This is a figure of a cube. Also here you can do this way also. To look exactly, if we are seeing the shape from a certain angle, so other faces we can't see. So here, if we inside whatever the line segment is there, if that we will rub out, then also this figure will look exactly like a cube. If you want to keep the line segment inside line segment, then also good. And inside line segment, if you don't want to draw, then also it is good, because from viewing from this angle what we are seeing, the other faces we can't see, we see only 1, 2 and 3 faces only. So that way we can also draw.